to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new, my name is Z, and here's my little baby cloud. Today is day 8 of our small business organization space. So today the focus is on sewing notions. So to me, sewing notions are just like those tiny bits and bobs, like buttons, maybe snaps, and I'm gonna lump like pins, needles, and clips, all those into sewing notions. So I have all these buttons that were stored like this, and Sal were messing up with them too much, so I didn't like that. So I'm gonna get rid of these and put it into this. So you can get this from Amazon or Michael. So I will link the storage down for you guys if you guys are interested in this container. So I was thinking I'm gonna have to get another one, because this one was for my kids' old toy, and they didn't want. They used to store like those little toy, but it was too hard for them to open it. So they didn't like, because it's stacked like this, you guys. So if you want to get to the second layer, you have to open it like this. So they might not be ideal for tiny seed beads or tiny little beads. I think buttons is fine because the buttons are thick. So we are going to store it like this, Cloud. Open it. And I'm going to just pour them in here. Wait. There's... Okay. I think the problem with this is let me see. Okay. I mean, they might slide over because the slot. Okay, yeah, they do slide to the other side because the slot is pretty big. They might slide over, but I think it's okay. So here, let's do the red one. Here. There. I think I like it like this because it'll be easier. It's easier for me to sort through. I think I still have a lot of room for more button storage. And this one, it just went over. Okay, so I will just be working on this, and I hope that today you guys can get all your buttons, your pens and clips and tiny little knickknacks are in your drawers, or things that are just lying around that are tiny. Like, get them organized and get them try to find some container to organize them. So these containers are not working for me anymore, so I'm changing to this. So hopefully this is not good, because it's the little slider thing, they don't go all the way down, so the buttons are sliding to the other side. But I think I'm okay, because even if they mix, it's still okay to me. cloud broke some of the. So anyways, you guys, I hope that today helped you guys get your space organized. And yeah, we're moving right along. This is day 8 already. So you see, some of these buttons are big. I can't. It's hard for me to try to take it out. Oh, okay, there. So I have to probably donate these containers because these containers are not ideal for me anymore. I like it. Oh my god, it looks really pretty just seeing it. So it's not good if you have really tiny things because they do slide over. Since the slot at the bottom is pretty huge. Okay, so I will see you guys on day 9, okay? And then I will update this. If I can't update fast enough, I will update like the next day what I have done, okay? So see you guys on day 9. Take care. Bye, guys. So you guys, so the Notion, I include like all these elastic stuff and threads and pens and needle. So these are all my serger threads. I need to organize them better, and I need to organize this drawer a little bit better, and up here too. So yeah, so we're gonna go through this, and then over here is just another drawer, and these are empty. And down here I plan to put all my manual in here, like all my machine manuals. And I need to go get these more of these so I can put them inside of this and label the machine name on it, so I know, okay, which machine manual is in which bag, so I don't lose them. So yeah, you can get these from Amazon, but I think I like these one are from the Container Store. So yeah, you can order from Amazon or you get it from the Container Store, and that's the plan. So that's what I'm gonna be working on, clearing these drawers and make it better. This is how I came up with this. I still use all the bin that I've been using. I just reorganize it, put some stuff somewhere. So I put these over here now, and I love these like donut shape silicone holder for all the bobbins. So this is only for my Bernina, and then I have one just for my singer. So my singer one, I put it down here where the singer table is because I always use this machine all the time. So I completed the chore, and this one I still kept everything the same. It just I moved some things around because Cloud was messing them up. And then my serger threads, I think these are woolly nylon. So the woolly nylon, it's for like really stretchy fabric, and it could also be used for decorative edge for clothing. Like I like this like rainbowy one, rainbow. So I put these are not stretchy thread like the woolly nylon. They're just regular serger thread, but I don't have space down here, so I put them there. So here, these are just a regular serger thread. I don't know why I have so many colors. I mean, mostly we only black and white, but I also have some color just in case, like I want to match with the color fabric that I'm sewing. So that's why I just have some color serger thread here. But I found myself I have not been using too many of the color thread, mostly just black and white. So I think I need to go get more white. Yeah, because it seems like I'm running out of white. I only have 5 spool of white. So I gotta go get more white. And then here I clear up this. So I plan to just put my hot glue gun here and maybe like my electronic cleaning kit here. I need to go find where I put that so I can put it down here. So that's it for the drawer, you guys. And then here's the button that me and Cloud did yesterday. So we already did that. And then over here, there's nothing here. So I think I was gonna go get another one for these, but I think I'll just leave it alone because I like how it's labeled. So these are like the Camp Snap stuff. I'm just gonna leave it like this and leave it in this drawer. Okay. And then empty. And this still stays the same. These are just my manual. But I am gonna go get more of these so I can put a lot of my instruction manual from my sewing machine. So I can put them, organize it in here and then label it on my label maker. Anyways, that's all, you guys. That's all for the update. I'm gonna put this video with the video that I did yesterday. So I'm not gonna do an update video for day 8. Day 8 is just all done here, and then at the end we'll do like a grand tour and we'll look through all the nooks and crannies. So that's it, you guys. I need to see where I'm gonna put this. I need to find a home for it. So once you store everything how you want it to be stored, you start to find a home for it too. So everything needs to have a home so you know where to put your things back after you use it, okay? So take care, you guys. I'll see you guys on day 9. And I'm gonna do day 7 maybe today or tomorrow because I was waiting for some storage. So you guys will not see day 7 until I get the storage so I can just do all in one go for you guys. I might not do update anymore. I'll just do the whole video together, you guys. Okay, take care. Bye, guys.